Hello and welcome to another website tutorial for outrangehomestead.com, a website designed by fullwebsolutions.com. In this video, I'll go over some of the steps involved in making a content premium and only accessible to premium members. I will be showcasing this tutorial in two different windows. I got my first window here logged in as an administrative user, and I have my other window here as a visitor. So as you can see here, I have not logged in. I'm just visiting this website as a visitor. If I go to the blog section, I can see the different blog posts on this website. So this one here, for example, if I click on, again, I'm not logged in here. I'm just a visitor. You can see here it says you found a hidden gem. This content is only available to our premium members. Become a premium member to gain access. So this is what we're trying to achieve here. So somebody would become a premium member and they would register, and then once they are a member, then they can access that content. So how do we set that up? So going back to my administrative window here, if I go to my dashboard, there's many ways to do this. The main thing being I need to get to the post that I want to make premium. So if I go to my post, I can see all my posts here. Anything that's restricted currently, you will see the restricted tag. So let's just see if I want to open this post up and I want to make this open to everybody. So if I go back to the visitor browser, I'm gonna go inside the post, and again it's still blocked. So I'm actually going to go ahead and edit the post. I can either do it from here or I can also do it from the front end. I can just click on edit post up here. But if I do that, go up here, edit post, and then you can see over here it says show page only premium members. So if I remove this, and now it should be visible to everybody. If I just hit save, and now if I go back to the visitor browser, which is this, if I go back and try to open this now, I can see the post. So as simple as that. So I am going back to make it premium content only. I'm gonna hit save. Go back here. This is again the visitor browser. I just made this a premium content. This particular user is not a member, or might even be a member but not logged in yet. So if I go ahead and refresh this page, look what happens. It says the same thing. So again, this applies to members that are not logged in either. So this is where this comes in. It says already a member, login below. So if somebody's already a member and see this, they can simply just log in here and access that content. That's pretty much it for the blog post. Pretty similar method for recipes. So if I go to all my posts, and just as a reminder, I can show either all my blog posts or just recipes. And if I click filter, these are my recipes. So I am going to go to the visitor browser and go to a recipe here. I'm going to pick one recipe here. I'm going to click on delicious one pot sausage recipe. So I got my recipe here, which is a free recipe. So I can go here, look at, you know, so quick edit gives you the option to quickly change categories and things like that. But what I want to do is I want to click on edit, like the full edit. Again, I can either do it from here or from the front end, and simply show page only for premium members. I'm going to save it. Anytime you do something, make sure you save your work, just like you would in a Word document. Then I'm gonna go back here. Again, I'm a visitor here of this browser. I'm either unpaid member or paid member but not logged in. So if I hit refresh, it will do the same thing. If I want to make this open for everybody, all I do is just X this premium membership out and hit save. Now if I go back here, as a visitor, it's open. So that's how you would set up premium content for paid members. Thanks for watching.